Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to recover your Telegram account lost phone number. If you've lost access to your phone number, logging into Telegram can be tricky. The platform relies entirely on your registered phone number for login, even if you've enabled two-factor authentication or linked an email address. Unfortunately, you can log in with just your email. However, there is a potential solution if your account is still active on another device, such as a desktop or another phone. When you're trying to log in, Telegram will send a verification code to the device where you're still logged in. If you can access that device, simply retrieve the code and use it to log in. If the Telegram attempts to send the verification code via SMS to your lost number and you no longer have access to it, recovery becomes impossible. If you still have Telegram logged in on another device, you can get the verification code from there. But if you've lost access to the phone number, recovery is not possible and you'll need to create a new account with a different number. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.